अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, मेरा नाम यासिम हारूनी और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं 7 फिगर्स एजेंसी माइंडसेट ए टू जी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 2, कैलकुलेटिंग मार्केट टू वर्किंग। Determining where you will establish your agency is a crucial, and understanding who are you as an agency owner through preparation and well thought out strategy are vital before entering into the international market. The global opportunities for ambitious agency owner aiming for 7 or more figures are vast. However, your primary goal should be to minimize risk by firmly grasping your priorities and core competencies and devising a precise market entry strategy through market research. I have met many entrepreneurs and startup agency owners who said it was their foremost priority to take their agencies to the international market. Getting your agency registered in the global market is relatively easy. The difficult part is retaining a top position in your niche market. You need to address a few crucial questions in order to choose which market to target. Will you focus on a local area and limit yourself? Are you considering a national approach? Uh, are you ambitious enough to establish a multinational business and generate millions of dollars in revenue? Every time you want to answer those questions, most may find themselves consulting their friends, Google, relying on their own knowledge, and so on. I would suggest properly quantifying and qualifying where the market potential is, gathering data, and making a tangible plan to land on a solid decision. I debated a lot on what I would like to settle with. Here are some of the variables I took into consideration. Choosing a region where the economy is flourishing, analyzing customer behaviors, business norms and practice within specific industries, ensure the time zones are manageable if working remotely. Service rates and potential net profits will be discussed in greater detail later. Before diving deeper into process to market selection, let's acknowledge some more key points. What are your strengths? Strongly gripping your strengths will give you a leg up in the competition. Identify key strengths in your agency model and axis if there are a way you can use them to your advantage. What's the market like? Being knowledgeable about the specific region or country where you plan on building your agency is crucial. Research the market situation to see what businesses are saturating it. Take note of which region or countries are emerging in the service you are providing. Analyze the industry landscape in different cities within your targeted country. Moreover, it is always also important to assess the income level, cost living, taxes, agency profitability. Benchmarking a city with a healthy balance of demand and competition can provide better growth opportunities. What's the potential for growth? Some markets are more profitable than others. North American market tend to have higher profits, but even a particular market or region is not the most profitable currently. It could be in the future. Thus, you must consider the potential for growth when making your decision. What are your goals? Your goals will ultimately dictate which market is the best fit for you. If you aim to build a large successful agency with huge profit margins, you likely want to choose a more profitable market in the countries such as UK, US, Europe. But if your goal is to build a boutique agency in a specific region where your goal is expand globally, you may be more willing to start in the region. Once we have these initial insights, let's delve into the market selection process. Selection involves agency internal analysis to identify key strengths and weaknesses before moving into the target market selection process. Take McKinsey 7 analysis framework as a starting point to see where does your agency stand.